Hello everyone! Welcome to Educational Hub. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to transform a simple data file into a powerful interactive dashboard using Anthropic's Claude. And the best part is, you don't need advanced spreadsheet skills or any programming experience. Within just a few minutes, you can create a professional dashboard packed with charts, filters, insights, and dynamic visuals that fit your own data perfectly. Here's the process we'll follow. First, we'll upload a dataset. I prepared a sample dataset for a research analytics project, and I'll leave it available so you can practice with the same file. The dataset includes information such as research topics, participant IDs, survey dates, research categories, funding figures, response accuracy percentages, and regional data from multiple countries. It has been reformatted into a clickable research dataset, making it easier to explore and analyze different research areas directly from the file. Of course, you can use any dataset relevant to your own project. Once the file is uploaded into Claude, instead of immediately asking it to build a dashboard, we'll use a smarter strategy. We'll first ask Claude to act as both a prompt engineer and data analyst. Its job will be to study the dataset, understand the relationships between the columns, and then generate a highly detailed prompt specifically designed for that data. The prompt we provide explains that the dataset represents a research analytics environment with participant records, funding metrics, survey responses, regional performance, and engagement statistics. Then we instruct Claude to design a modern executive-style analytics dashboard with important KPIs such as total research funding, total participants, average response accuracy, and category performance. We also request multiple visualizations, trend analysis, interactive filters for dates and regions, and clear analytical insights. What makes this method so effective is that Claude creates a much stronger and more customized dashboard prompt than most people could manually write themselves. After analyzing the file, it generates a structured prompt covering everything from layout design to typography, color palettes, dashboard sections, chart requirements, and even the overall visual style. It essentially creates a professional blueprint tailored specifically to your dataset. Next, we copy that generated prompt, open a fresh chat in Claude, upload the dataset once again, and paste the new prompt. Claude then begins building the actual dashboard automatically. Within a few minutes, it generates a complete interactive dashboard as a standalone HTML file. Once the dashboard is ready, you can download and open the HTML file in your browser. At the top, you'll find interactive filters where you can change survey dates, select research categories, choose countries, or filter specific research topics. Every chart and KPI updates instantly based on your selections. The dashboard also includes detailed analytics, such as monthly survey activity, funding growth trends, cumulative research investments, category performance comparisons, top-performing research areas, and participant engagement metrics. Instead of looking at plain spreadsheet rows, your data becomes a fully visual and interactive research intelligence system. So in this video, we took raw research data, used Claude to generate a highly optimized dashboard prompt, and turned that information into a polished interactive analytics dashboard in just a matter of minutes. If you enjoy practical AI workflows like this, stay tuned because there are many more powerful use cases to explore with Claude and other AI tools. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for informative videos.